Welcome to HSM Tech. Today, we're diving into an explainer that's going to completely demystify artificial intelligence for you. We're cutting straight through all the hype to give you a clear, totally actionable roadmap of 8 incredible AI tools you can start using right now to transform exactly how you work, study, and create in 2026.
So let me ask you something. Is AI about to change your job forever? The short answer is a massive yes. But honestly, not in the scary sci-fi way you might be thinking. We hear about AI all the time in the context of these massive tech corporations with bottomless budgets, but the reality has completely shifted. AI is right here, right now, to solve your actual daily frustrations. Think about all those hours you lose to endless repetitive tasks, or the absolute dread of a blank page staring back at you when a deadline is looming, right? Whether you're a student, a freelancer, or a business professional, these tools are basically your new best friends. So let's jump in and start with the basics.
Now, before we look at the specific tools themselves, we kind of need to understand the engine powering this whole revolution. And the absolute biggest game changer in recent years has been the development of generative AI. At its core, artificial intelligence is really just technology that lets computers perform tasks that normally require human intelligence. But generative AI, it takes it a massive step further. This is technology that actually creates new things: text, images, videos, audio, full presentations, and even software code, based entirely on your instructions. You can really think of it like having a super fast digital intern. You just tell it what you need, and boom, it generates it. It really is that simple, and it's incredibly powerful.
Here is our roadmap for today's explainer. 1. Why AI matters now. 2. Your everyday AI assistants. 3. AI for creative content. 4. Smarter research and learning. 5. Comparing top AI tools. And 6. The future of AI work.
All right, Section 1. Why AI matters now. Moving beyond the tech giants.
The big thing to realize is that modern AI tools have become deeply accessible to everyday users. They're absolutely no longer locked away inside large enterprise companies. If you're a student trying to stay on top of your coursework, a creator trying to pump out more content, a freelancer juggling a dozen clients, or a small business owner, AI is literally built for you. The whole point here is that AI is stepping in to automate your repetitive tasks, save you incredibly valuable time, and dramatically increase your daily productivity. Basically, it's all about working smarter, not harder.
Section 2. Your everyday AI assistants. Meet your new digital coworkers. So the heavy hitter you've undoubtedly heard about is ChatGPT. Honestly, ChatGPT is the ultimate all-arounder. It's a general-purpose AI assistant specifically designed to understand natural language. And what that means for us is you don't need to learn complex computer code to talk to it. You just speak or type to it exactly like you would to a human assistant. It's built from the ground up to help you knock out a wide variety of daily tasks just by understanding your natural, everyday instructions. And that brilliantly illustrates just how flexible ChatGPT really is across entirely different areas of our lives. Say you're a student, you can ask it to explain quantum physics to you as if you were a 5-year-old, or have it build you a totally custom study plan for finals week. If you're a professional, you can use it to instantly draft that really awkward email to your boss or help format dense data reports. And if you're a creator, it's pretty much the ultimate brainstorming partner to help you generate fresh ideas or even assist you with writing software code. Its biggest advantage is for sure this ability to act as your go-to jack-of-all-trades assistant for nearly anything you throw its way.
But ChatGPT definitely isn't the only assistant in the office anymore. Take Claude, for example. Claude is kind of like your meticulous, hyper-focused researcher. It really excels at detailed analysis, reading through massive, lengthy documents, and delivering incredibly reliable writing tasks. It's super focused on helpful, accurate interactions. Google Gemini, on the other hand, well, that's your ultimate team player. Its absolute superpower is integration. Gemini lives right inside the Google Docs and Drive ecosystem that you probably already use every single day anyway, making it just incredibly seamless to fold into your daily workflow.
Moving on to Section 3. AI for creative content, professional design without the skills.
Let's talk about Canva AI. Now, Canva has obviously been a super popular design tool for a while now, but Canva AI weaves artificial intelligence straight into its graphic design platform. And what this means for us is you literally need zero professional design skills to create stunning visuals anymore. You can generate social media posts, engaging presentations, marketing designs, images, and totally cohesive brand materials incredibly quickly. You just type out what you want to see, and the AI steps in and helps build a highly attractive, professional layout right before your eyes.
But beyond just basic images, AI is completely revolutionizing how we create audio and visual presentations too. Take Gamma, for example.
We all know the soul-crushing pain of manually formatting slide decks, right? Well, with Gamma, you literally just type in an idea or a quick prompt, and the AI instantly generates beautifully structured presentation slides, documents, and visual reports. It basically does the entire heavy lifting of design work for you. And for audio, we have 11 Labs. This is an AI voice technology company that creates insanely realistic AI-generated voices. So if you're a video creator or maybe producing an audiobook, you can get professional-grade narration without ever needing to drop money on a fancy microphone or doing a million takes of your own voice.
Section 4. Smarter Research and Learning. Upgrading your deep work. Okay, if you are a student or a researcher, you absolutely have to know about Notebook LM by Google. Unlike a normal chatbot that just pulls answers from random places across the entire internet, Notebook LM is uniquely focused only on the information that you provide. You upload your own documents, your websites, your notes, say a huge pile of academic PDFs, and then you ask it questions based strictly on those sources. It is an incredibly secure, highly tailored way to summarize your research, digest long documents, and create study materials without any risk of the AI hallucinating or just making things up from outside sources.
And when you actually do need to search the wider internet, think about how we normally do it versus using Perplexity AI. We're all super used to traditional search engines, right? You type a query, you open up like 20 different tabs, and you just waste an hour skimming to find one simple answer. Perplexity AI completely flips this entire process on its head. It is an AI-powered search assistant that gives you direct, immediate answers. It literally reads the websites for you, summarizes the core information, and, this is absolutely crucial, it pairs its answers with clear explanations and cited sources. It is perfect for fast researchers who want to learn a new subject quickly without wasting half their day clicking through endless blue links.
Section 5. Comparing top AI tools. Finding your perfect match.
So here is your ultimate rapid-fire cheat sheet for 2026. For general, everyday tasks and brainstorming, you want ChatGPT. For deep analysis on incredibly long documents, go with Claude. If your life revolves around Google Docs, Gemini is your best friend. Need quick, stunning graphics but don't have a design degree? Canva AI. Instant slide decks? Gamma. Flawless professional voice narration? 11 Labs. Guarding and studying your own private academic PDFs? Notebook LM. And finally, for fast, direct answers backed up with cited sources, you're going to want Perplexity AI.
Section 6. The future of AI work. What happens next?
As we look forward, we can definitely expect a really fascinating progression. Step 1. These AI assistants are going to move from just answering our questions to actually completing tasks automatically on our behalf. Step 2. We'll see learning systems become highly personalized, adapting exactly to how you as an individual learn best. Step 3. Businesses are going to achieve much smarter, faster automation, entirely streamlining how content is created and how daily productivity is managed. And all of this leads directly to Step 4, which is honestly the ultimate goal. The true purpose of AI isn't to replace us, it's to help us stop doing mind-numbing, tedious manual work. By getting those repetitive tasks out of the way faster, we are finally freed up to focus entirely on higher-value, creative, and truly meaningful activities.
The tools are here, they are incredibly accessible, and they are waiting right now to save you hours of time. So I want to leave you with this one challenge today. Are you going to keep doing your repetitive work the hard way, or are you finally ready to let AI take the wheel? Pick just one of these 8 tools today, apply it to your most frustrating task, and just watch how it completely changes your workflow. Thanks for joining me on this explainer from HSM Tech, and keep learning.